English Tagalog Translation number 92. English sentence Dilius. Number 1, in English, it wasn't me. Sa Tagalog, hindi ako yon. Number 2, in English, wasn't me. Sa Tagalog, hindi ako. Number 3, in English, wasn't it. Sa Tagalog, hindi ba? Number 4, in English, it wasn't my fault. Sa Tagalog, hindi ko kasalanan. Number 5, it wasn't easy. Sa Tagalog, hindi ito madali. Number 6, in English, he wasn't there. Sa Tagalog, wala siya doon. Number 7, in English, she's not my girlfriend. Sa Tagalog, hindi ko siya kasintahan. Number 8, in English, there wasn't discussion. Sa Tagalog, walang usapan. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please. Thank you. God bless.